Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Gauri Art Division Studio, and this is the first session of a project that owned by Mr. Sybe and Mrs. Suzan. This is an old client that worked with us with Gauri Art Division and also Kori Dewata Karya. And we're going to have a project especially for them. So this is not like the project that we had before, because before we had this project, we got some few projects with them for making a villa at Brawa, Bingin, and many places. It's already been sold and good in the market, and now they're planning to build their own villa for themselves. But before that, let's see the situation on the field by drone together. Let's go. Yeah, that was the location you have seen in the drone video. It's quite a big land, but the access is not quite big, but because it's like a many place there, like a local village home there. So it's not a big road, but it is good because that's gonna be not crowd there, and it's gonna be quiet. It's matched if you want to build a house or some place to stay there. It's gonna be very matched this land. So the area that we're going to design is around, let me check, 896.47 square meters. So it's almost like 10 area or 1000 square meter. It's quite big, and we are planning to build like a one-story building here for them, and one show unit for the raw resident that they have for their business. So yeah, I will show you the layout for the land now. Okay, this is the layout for the land. As you can see here, the shape of the land is quite simple. It's rectangle. The area is 896.47 square meter, and it has two roads on that on both sides, on the width and on the length of the land. The size of the road is not quite big, but it can be accessible by car. It's still possible. And the good thing from this land, because the land's already dried, it's not like a rice field. So the situation here is ready to build. So they're planning to build like I will show you the layout that we have discussed together. So because this is going to be used for their home. So Mr. Sybe and Mrs. Suzan planning to get like one master bedroom and two other bedroom for the guests and for their kids, because they have like two kids, one boys and one girl. So they for their children, they're going to put in one room, and they will have another room for the guests. The other than that, they are planning to put one building on the corner that's going to be multi-function building. It can be like two bedroom, bedroom for 2-unit bedroom there, or can be a bioscope, like a cinema or like a sports station. So for the main building, it's quite big. It's around 266.93. That's the area for the main building. For the secondary building, for the multifunction, is 78.89 square meter. And for the pool is quite big also, because they want to make the proportion of the pool match with the building. We have like 4 times around 11 meter. So the size of the pool around 49.13 square meter. That's the size for the pool. It's a big pool. It has a area for the shallow and for the like a small sitting area there, and the deep area for lapping. So that's for the general design for their building, and it's an L-shaped building, so it's going to be easy for us to apply it. The orientation for the view is going to be nice. They have like a big garden inside, and on the corner on the top there's going to have like a raw unit there, raw resident unit there for the show unit. Yeah, I think that's it for the discussion about the building. So the total building for the property is around 411.77 square meter, and for the pool area 58.53. That's quite big project here. Anyway, let's see the design for the layout, for the 3D. Actually, for this project, because we have worked together a long time, Mr. Sybe and Mrs. Suzan doesn't really need a 3D yesterday. They said that to me, but from our team, we would like to make a modeling first. So this is going to be make more easy for the team in the field when they're going to work or apply the project. Let's see the 3D image. Yeah, that was the design, the general layout and the 3D that we have explained about the project. So it's going to be interesting because this is their dream. For the project, for sure I can make a category for the project that I design. It's always about dream or business. If you talk about your dream in designing, you will get whatever you want, whatever you desire. So like this, Mr. Sybe and Mrs. Suzan decide to put the interior design, especially the kitchen, with the kitchen specialist. So the kitchens will be amazing later. I'm very sure because they saw it to me yesterday about the design from other company. They want to make it very detailed and very clean, simple. And for the building, they spend quite a lot material for the woods, and the beam that's going to be amazing for the accent. So I think it's going to be exciting to see how it goes and how it's finished later. Okay, I think that's it for now for the first session of the video from the project of Mr. Sybe and Mrs. Suzan at KEDUNGU. Let's check later the progress in the field in the second session of this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned in our channel, Gauri at Division Studio.